And in last video we were stuck how to apply column number in this field, right? Sorry, actually I have practiced it, that's why it's showing. Okay, so basically first of all we have to here assign so we can properly view all these things. So first of all we'll have to change the range here, b20, in here b20 dot values. So now we can properly view all these things. Now run this first so we can analyze our code again. Now if I select here country Korea, then you can see Korea is showing. If I here select the China, so it is showing the China. Okay, now same thing I will, now we can apply here. Now we successfully apply country here. Now we need to apply here month, and for that we need the column. Okay, so how we can do this? So first of all what we'll have to do, just again I'm going there, just click in show chart, because show chart is the button where we are commanding all this user form. So this is come from the list, right? You can see this come from the list, right? So what we'll have to do here, just where yeah, this command button, right? Im is equal to, im is the simple variable, you can put any name, 0 to listbox 1 dot list count -1. Next, so we are reading all the list box data one by one, and if I found anything, means a selected item, list box 1 dot selected item, then we'll select again range b to 1, sorry b20, I am replacing it, b20 offset 0 I plus 1. So we can move forward +1, because this is starting from 0, but now we are adding next cell, so that's why I have added +1. 0 plus 1 is equal to our list box 1 dot list, whatever you have selected. Okay, and ending I have again, let's check this. Okay, March and April I have selected. Now it's showing only the January. Why it's showing January? Because it is taking too much data again. Okay, if I select here July, then it again is showing. So let's check why it's happening, because I have put it here IM, so we should put here IM, because our variable is IM, right? You can see here it's showing April and May, right? But now we need this April and May outside these cells, right? So how we can get this? That's why I am showing this. Range v2 IM plus 1. So we'll need to add one more variable here called count r 0. Okay, so it is selecting one by one. Count is equal to count plus 1. So now here I am simply applying here count 1. Now removing this again, and again running. You can see China here, April and July, right? Here you can see now it will change April and July, but now it's not taking the April. Similarly for May. Okay, so that is the problem in count. Okay, so now we'll have to call again here. in one by one. April, June. Still it's showing the June, right? Now check it one by one. There is, I think, we have missing something. Okay, so I am pausing this and again running this. And now if I pause here, so first time it is not showing anything, but count is remaining. Now count is 1. Both the criteria is not matching over there. Now here you can see count is here. It's still showing the 0. Why it's showing the 0? Because it is again replacing the count 0. So we'll have to change this count. Okay. So we got the error because it is again resetting our count increment to decrement by default 0. The loop, so it will not replace when loop is run. Now this time this should work. You can see June, February, March, April, and if I select here October, then it's selecting the October. Okay, like this it will work. Just showing again. April, May, June. Okay, now it is because we have added that plus one, that's why. Okay, so we'll have to remove that plus 1 here. So now let's see what will happen. April, June, you can see. If I select here August, December, then it will again show the December. Okay, so now we are successfully getting the column number. So now we'll have to apply the here also value of span. So that is the same thing. Click on here, just here, right here, range B21, and here just write. Now we got the row number right here. So now cell dot my row. Okay, now we need the column number. So we have the column number here. What is our column number? Offset dot count. List IM. So whatever in this list we'll have to divide plus 2. Okay, why plus 2? I am telling you because it is starting from this. Okay, January, February. So between this there are 2 columns gaps. So that's why I have added here 2. Okay, March 141 span, and April is 38. So now still count is not proper. So let's have a look this why it is not showing the proper count. March 141. So where is the 141? It is reading the February and it is reading the March. So we have gone 1/forward. So we need to remove, add plus 1. Okay, so we need to get 3. So now first of all remove this. So for removing all these thing again, we can here simply write function range B22 that let's say 56 don't need to remove again and again. Now let's check this. Yeah, I am again selecting the country China, February, March, April. Now it is showing February 144. Okay, you can see in May. Oh, sorry, actually I select the Jan, so we can see the properly Jan, Feb, May. Okay, you can see Jan is 59, February 144, and March 11. Okay, sorry, May 11. Sorry, I am not able to move this. So this is the one with India. Let's see April. Oh, sorry, May. Okay, Jan, Feb, March. Okay, you can see Spain is 38. If I select here USA, then it's showing the 73. So now it's properly working. Now we'll have to create the chat on the basis of this data. So we'll create in our next video. Thanks for watching.